Happy Chinese New Year, everyone. So, recently, DeepSeek has stormed the AI sector, has wiped out 1 trillion worth of equities in the stock market. So, today we're going to look into how do we use DeepSeek. Okay, let's go to this website first, www.deepseek.com. Then, after registration with Google or any other platform, you use Start Now. Okay, press Start Now. So you will see this interface. So here are the few uses. The first one is if you don't want to use reasoning, we go for the normal usage. You just like ChatGPT, you just type something here. Write me a copywriting about unit trust, for example. Okay, so it's gonna like normally it's gonna write for you. Now, how do we make it better? Okay, so the first step is you press this button, deep think. This R1 is the thing that has stormed the internet because the creator of DeepSeek mentioned that they use less GPU and less computing time to create this R1, where it is around 10 times cheaper and faster than how OpenAI claimed to create O1. Okay, so let's try it. DeepThink. So what's the difference? So when you use DeepThink, it start to think for itself. For example, write a copywriting about insurance. It's gonna start thinking. You see, it's gonna start thinking. So this is not the output it give me. It is deep seek thinking about itself. It start to think. So it knows what it should do first, and then where should it start. Oh wait, in the previous response, I used bullet point for benefit. Means that it actually looked through our previous copywriting before actually answer us. So here's the answer. So now it's giving us the response already. So R1 has a strong reasoning power. So let's try to test whether it's actually good at reasoning. So we use the test of strawberry. So normally if you go to like ChatGPT 4 or 3.5, it's gonna give you 2R in a strawberry. But for O1, it's gonna give you 4. It's gonna give you 3. How many R in strawberry? So how many R? 1, 2, and 3. So let us see how many R does DeepSeek give us. I'm just gonna think through it again. So yes, it got it correct. 1, 2, and 3. So normally if you go to ChatGPT old version, it's not gonna give you 3. So let me give you an example. So here's an example. So I asked ChatGPT how many R was in strawberry. So there are 2R in the word strawberry. So it's wrong. There's actually 1, 2, and 3. So that's why if you're not using a reasoning model, it's going to give you very bad result. If I change it to 401, how many R in strawberry? So there are 3R in strawberry. So O1 and R1 are the same, basically the same, almost the same. They have reasoning power. Now, beside reasoning power, you can also use DeepSeek to search the web to get answer. So let me give an example. Find the latest news about DeepSeek and ChatGPT and give a copywriting about it for Twitter and Facebook. So it seems that the search service is busy. So I cannot show you all today, but just to let you know, you can search the web. Now, one more function is that you can actually run HTML code inside of DeepSeek. Here you can actually run HTML code inside of DeepSeek. So let me just open a new chat. So create a snake game using HTML, make it unique. Okay, so it has finished generating the code for the game. So it looks okay. So you can actually run the game in HTML inside DeepSeek. So you see the run HTML button here. You click it. Yes, and it looks like it's working very well. Oh, oops. I think, yeah, there's a bug here. It won't run. Let's try again. Oh, yeah, there's definitely a bug there. So you can, just for your information, you can actually run HTML inside of DeepSeek. So I could ask it to start, to redo it, but we're not gonna go into that today. So you can actually get the apps for DeepSeek here. You can scan it and then use it in your apps. We're gonna not gonna show that also. And you can also upload PDF or image, for the for your purpose. For example, upload a PDF document, technology development of handphone in the next 5 years, and then I'm gonna ask it to summarize this document and write a copywriting for it for Facebook. It's gonna summarize my document and then help me to write a copywriting that's suitable for Facebook users. So from the look of this, it actually summarized the document first. It summarized the document first, then it start to write the copywriting for my Facebook. The future of smartphone is here. Okay, so it looks okay. It's basically legit, and then it's basically come from the same thing as my PDF. So I'm quite contented with this kind of performance. It will be very useful for all the marketers outside. So I hope today's video was very insightful for you, and I hope that in the future, you know, we can see more from DeepSeek, and of course, hopefully the competitors like ChatGPT, Gemini, they can keep up with China to become better, so that we can use more free AIs. So that's all for now. I'll see you all next time. Remember to like and subscribe. Thank you.